Hi guys, I am in the white van. I don't have a name for it yet, but I had some things done and she seems to be running okay for now. I put my army cot in the back. Well, it's my Coleman army cot, and my grandmother gave me a piece of insulation for the floor, so I just put that down for now. I'm going to be going up to Biglerville, PA for camping for Easter, so I don't know which van I'm taking. Ruby's still kicking and this van feels a little better, but my dog is my priority and he's more comfortable in Rubes. And because of the seats and the plastic, and we're still not completely at home in here, I think we're going to take Ruby. So Ruby's just as good, even though this is a bigger van and more stealthy. We're going to be camping, so it's not, I don't need to be stealthy for that. Plus we're going to be in my aunt's camper, so it'll be nice. So I just came out and I wanted to say hello and greetings from White Van. If any of you can think of a name, that would be cool. I'm trying to, every van has to have a name. I used to live on a boat, and before Superstorm Sandy and other things took the boat, I lived right on the bay, a place called Sea Village Marina and Northfield Margate Causeway in Jersey Shore. So it was a nice place. I lived there for about 5 years, and it was really nice, right on the water. It was a small gutted boat, Coral Craft. It was an older boat. I like the oldies, something about them. Anyway, I bought a OBD reader because I'm going to try to do some things myself, and yeah, so that's where I'm at. Anyway, I stopped at Starbucks. Just want to share a little. I don't do this much, but I got an apple cider, hot warm apple cider from Starbucks, and I didn't eat all day. I was running errands and stuff, and I got I love these mini vanilla scones. It's kind of cheaper if you get 3. They're super good. Would you like a bite? And I also got, because I'm really hungry, I kind of let myself go today. I got a feta spinach wrap. So this will be my mini mukbang video. Would you like a bite? There you go. So cheers. I hope you're all doing well, and I just want to check in and say, hey, I'm thinking of a van name for this. Can you guys help me? I was thinking of Great White, but there's already a Great White, tongue twister, Great White. There's already a Great White on YouTube, and I was thinking of, I'm a big Hobbit fan. I said this before. I was thinking of Vandolph the White, like Vandolph the Gray, but that didn't fit. I definitely feel female energy, even though it's a big stealthy like male car. But anyway, Ruby is my Ruby. That's my 91 Plymouth Voyager. This is a 97 Ford E150. She is running right now again. A little better, a little more power, but again, can't help what happens. I'm pressing on, and I do have to know when to surrender. So for right now, I'm keeping her. The insurance was due. I'm not paying it in full. I usually pay for 6 months straight full, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't need 2 vans. What I need is 1 van to work good, but I have 2 vans that are working meh right now. So that's where I'm at. It's a little update. Anyway, don't know if you can see in the back there. Yep, I can't really move this, but underneath I have one of those soft boxes that you can put stuff in. I have my little my emergency backpack with all my stuff in there, and my Coleman, what's the word? Sleeping bag. It's a 0 degree sleeping bag, and I have a little plug-in heater because I don't have solar or any of that yet, and I don't even know if I'm going to do that with this van. Eventually I'd like to, but I'm taking it one day at a time, and for now. Alright, so cheers. I'm taking a bite, doing a mukbang here. Take your bite. That's feta and spinach with some kind of sauce. Super good. So, you guys have a great night. and I will see you again soon. Sun-Dry Girl variety show signing off. Bye for now. Mwah. That's what I have for now, guys. Nothing major. Just my Coleman cot and some stuff underneath. My emergency backpack, and then there's a box, soft box over there with some things. But that's the back. It's really cozy. You can see why I wanted this van. I think you can see why. So, alright, I'll see ya. It's windy here. It's foggy here today. Don't know if you can see out there, but it is foggy and the humidity is super high. And I have a frizz going on. Alright, I'll see you next time. Keep looking up. Forgot to tell you the name of the boat. I'm scatterbrained sometimes. But the name of the boat, we're talking about names for vans, and the boat I lived on, I named it Sleepy Boat. Why Sleepy Boat? Because when people would, it was a no wake zone where it was at, so people weren't allowed to go fast through there, but sometimes they did, and the boat would rock back and forth like a giant cradle, and I always felt sleepy in there. It was very sleepy sea village. It was really relaxing, so I put in big letters Sleepy Boat, and people named their boats all different kinds of stuff. So like the boat, same with the vans, and people name their cars and their houses and their dwellings. So yeah, so that's where we're at. All right, I just wanted to do that PS because I forgot. All right, bye again.